la
This
la.
is Dave's Cutlass console that we're modifying. This is
Modifying.
an old, nasty, gross-looking thing from the 70s.
Okay. What next?
Thing from the 70s.
Bye-bye thing from the 70s.
Yes. Cool custom thing made by Free Metal Paint.
Thing from the 2000s.
This is what, when I go on YouTube and I hear women talk about the car, this is what turns it on. It doesn't start the car, it turns it on.
Very cool. I want one of those.
You don't have a start button on a Toyota?
My Toyota? No, I have a key.
Yeah, this one, I think it lights up either red or blue.
Very, very snazzy.
Can't remember. Goes in here like this. Ow, that hurt my leg. Boom. Oh yeah.
Very slick.
We found this really cool low car shifter that looks kind of like what a Cutlass shifter looked like in the 70s.
Ooh.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. That looks really good.
I'm going to put his key in here.
Oh, he's going to have a key too?
Yeah, because you want to turn your ignition on, like your car. Like, you know, radio, all that happy crap. So you open up this.
Oh!
Turn the
Yeah, I didn't even think about that.
on, and then you shut this.
Awesome.
And he's got key fobs, so when he's like 30 feet from his car, he can hit key fobs, and his car starts up.
Now that is really cool. I really want that. I want that for my car.
And he's